Hey guys, back here with another video. Today I'm just going to be doing I hope a quick video, but just going over a recent brickarms order. So, my slip. Let's go and pull this out. My weapons. Okay. I think that's it in the package. Hardy right out of the gate. You can see what I got here. Some Halo weapons. Ooh, that's... dang. Alright, I'm gonna have to show you all that. Alright, so I got 2 packs and some weapons. So let's pull them out of the little baggie here. Let's go ahead and get one in the minifigures. And here, I'm gonna use this one first. I'm gonna use this one. Dang. This looks awesome. Alright, so this is the Halo 3 battle rifle. What else we got here? Let's go ahead. I have my ODST here. At the SMG. Look at that. Looks beautiful. It's absolutely awesome. I love it. I showed you that. Let's go ahead and put one of these shotguns in the figure's hands. Let's do it with this guy. It's a Reach Spartan. Dang. I love this. This looks awesome. I'm loving all these weapons. Already showed you that and that. I'm not going to show the 2 weapons at the same time. Let's go ahead and use one of the plasma pistols. Get out of here. Hair. It's more purple in real life. Looks kind of blue on camera, but it's purple. So, oh my gosh. But yeah, I love these. Plasma pistol looks awesome. And then the last 2 weapons are the shorter SMG and the light rifle, which I will go ahead and show the Edler SMG whenever I open one of these other packs, because I'm going to be having them with a dual-wielded person. Here's one of my other Spartans. The light rifle. I got it in black, but only because they didn't have gunmetal, but I didn't want to have to go back a second time to go and get it. So I just went ahead and got it this time, just in black. This looks awesome. Holy crap. Alright, go ahead and put that in there. put these weapons to the side, go ahead and jump into... Let's go ahead and jump into the more crazier pack first. This one, value pack. Only reason I even got it was for the needler, because I can't buy it separately. So, alright, and right out of the bat, got this gun, these guns in tan, which actually are pretty nice. I didn't expect them to be this cool. Another machete. I already have one of these in this color, so still cool though. I wanted more of those. One of these, the DC-15 Clone Trooper Blaster. Let me go ahead and get a clone for this. Let's go ahead and get one of these classic clones here. There we go. This looks awesome. This is a really cool weapon. If you held this too. Yeah, look at that. I love this. Wanted to get some of these too, so this is another reason why I got that pack. One of these, which this is just a paintball gun. Have one already. This is a gold knife, which I expected it to be tan, but yeah, I guess gold makes a bit more sense. It's more of like a bronze. Oh, go ahead and give that to another character there. I already have a knife like this. It's just I have them in black. Here is the FMG. Yes, FMG. I don't have one of these, so it's pretty cool to have. Then another one of these M1 carbines, I think it is. Yeah, M1 carbine. A Arbiter. I don't really like this gun. It just doesn't really look all that good to me. Like, I mean, I'm sure it looks good like the gun, but I don't like how big and clunky it is. It's a little too big and clunky for my taste. Then one of these shotguns, which I'm going to be giving to my Alfred. And here's the needler, which I can go ahead and hand this blue Spartan. And this weapon looks awesome. This freaking needler. I expected it to look good, but dang. Looks awesome. Wish I could have gotten it in purple, but the only other choice was trans blue. And then this one, which looks awesome. I love this. It's dual molded. It's like a metallic olive green looking color with like bits of light pink mixed into it. So that's pretty cool. And of course it looks nice. Like, it's just a model. So that is pretty fun. I hoped I was going to get one of the Star Wars blasters. And then the last pack is the 2017 Sci-Fi Weapons pack. So let's go ahead and figure out here. I'm gonna show the SMG first, just to get it out of the way. Where is it? There it is. Here's the SMG, and it looks especially well when you dual wield the SMG here. So I have it on my Master Chief. I need to get an olive green armor one, make it look better. But until then, my Master Chief's just gonna be this bright green color. There's the SMG again. This gun, which looks better than I thought it would. But I still don't really care for it. It's the XVR. Yeah, I still don't really like it. Here we have. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him. The Halo 4 little sticky grenade gun, which package is called XLMD. I think it's like loaded mine detonator or something. I don't know, something like that, but I know it's a Halo weapon, so I got it. This weapon, which I already have one of these, but it's the AC-8. And one of these, which I also already have one of these, MK-44. I think this is a Star Wars gun, although it might be a different one. I think it might be from Destiny, so I don't know. Oh, we got another pistol. I already have one of these pistols. Hold up. Alright, like I was saying, I already have one of these pistols. So I'm going to go ahead and have my Spartan here. Dual wield them. So I just think it looks better that way. It looks pretty cool. And I'm just going to start putting them back here. I don't want to have to stack them anymore. Got a Noble 6 here, which I'm going to go ahead and give him the DMR. Even though it's the Halo 4 version, but they haven't made the Halo Reach version, so. And that also looks beautiful. I love that. Alright, then what we got next? I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and show this. This is the D9 AR, which it looks kind of like a flamethrower. I don't know what it's from, but it looks cool. Looks kind of like the Halo scatter shot. So definitely a pretty cool weapon. The Halo 4 battle rifle here, which go ahead and hand to a Spartan right now. That looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get the assault rifle out of the way. I already have one of these again, but having another one is pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and hand this to the Marine. And then let's go ahead and do sniper rifle. The PSR, I think. Yeah, PSR. In gunmetal here, which looks pretty good. I already have one of these in black, but it's cool to have another one. So, then one of these, which it is. Where is this? The Furberg. Okay. So here's the Furberg. I already have one, but I only have them in black. So now I have them in a different color. I also don't know what this is from, or if it's an actual weapon. And here's the railgun, which looks pretty good. Again, go ahead and hand that to a Halo 5 Spartan right here. Looks awesome. Love that. And these last ones are the RoboCop pistol, which is the Auto 9. I like that. I've been wanting to get my hands on it. I don't know if this is version 2 or version 1 of this, but this is the M41A. I think this is version 2. I don't know. I have version 1, so I guess we'll have to find out. And then here's a, this is Rey's pistol from Star Wars, Force Awakens, because she just ditches it after the first movie.